Hi, I've just finished speaking at a conference in Rotorua. Now, if you've never been to Rotorua, it's well known for its geothermal pools and the bubbling waters. Now, when I took a look at the geothermal pools, one of the things I thought about immediately was how much it was like our productivity in business. What do I mean by that? Well, often what happens is we just bubble along. Things are going really nicely till all of a sudden something shifts and we get a little eruption. So it might be the water bubbles just a little more. We start to get a bit more stressed. We need help in doing what we're doing. Or it could be our stress and frustration just builds up to a point where we get an explosion, in which case the water bubbles up in a geothermal pool and becomes a geyser. So my question to you is, what are the things that are bubbling below the surface that are frustrating you, that are stopping you from being as productive as you could be? And what can you do to fix or change those things? It might be as simple as just getting together with some of your colleagues and talking to them about what they're doing. I know at this conference the people have been getting together and sharing ideas and insights about how they're doing things, and they're having some breakthroughs around just tweaking and fine-tuning or activating one new piece of information that I might have shared to help them fast-track tasks that are going to take them normally 3 hours to 5 days and bring it back down to a couple of minutes. So what can you do today that will enable you to increase your productivity and efficiency and stop you bubbling away like a geothermal pool?